Hello, body fangs, welcome to the push. Guys, have you ever woken up one morning, all of a sudden, and decided you want to sell your car? Upgrade to something groter than my hare, or something a little bit more fancier. But then you take your car to Tom, Dick, Harry and Gert over there, en dan gee hulle vir jou sulke stupid pryse. Ja, die ding verloor sy flavor, okay. And you can't even sell it to 'n klein rooikop laatie met sproete in 'n sweet shop. So what the bloody hell did he do? Come with me. Tada! Ja, so maklik soos poep in die bad en hap na die bubbles. Okay. If you need to get rid of your Toyota Land Cruiser Bruiser, your Ford Ranger Danger, or your Hilux, or just your Kapokkie Trokkie, you just need to get hold of Sell My Car Quick. Ja, it happened. So, check them out. Sell My Car Quick. Bloody amazing.